What are you doing?
Fixing myself. Now for the Kaden Brandenburg.
And now for Kaden Brandenburg.
Take a ride on the big green tractor. Make it go slow, make it go faster. Out through the woods, out through the pasture. All about you really don't matter. Driving my ride, read a whole lot of what we done got. And the trailer and me and back to the house. I am going to take another ride on the big green tractor. That's all I have, Nanny.